Where'd you go? You almost got me banned from the library. Should I use Steinbeck or Twain? What for? For rolling a joint. Neither should be used for rolling a joint. You're right. Hunter S. Thompson it is. No. Books are for reading. Reading is for nerds. Come on, try this one. This sucks. Ow! It don't even got girly pictures. You read it, then it comes alive. Try Murder on the Orient Express. I think this one is broke. It's not coming alive. You have to use your imagination. Oh! My gonads are in me. Cool. It worked. The Lord of the Rings. 2 can play at that game. The Scarlet Pimpernel. Haha, you can't get it up. Oh, yes, I can. Ha ha ha, on God. Dang it. Suck. A farewell to arms. Ah! Stop all this noise at once! Oh, he's not gonna stop. He said he's gonna piss off the lesbian librarian. I never said that. Mr. Cactus, you're hereby permanently banned from this branch of the library. Now leave.